Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, and pedestrian. Woo, baby.
They say stupid. They say stupid. They're stupid.
Okay. Here we go. So the first thing I want to point out here is the sun. Okay, we got sun in our eye. Now, that's not going to be a huge factor with that side of the vehicle when they came out because they're supposed to be looking right, which is the sun is on the back of their heads. So here's the thing. Be aware of it for you mainly because it's your safety, your responsibility. We're moving forward. Right here is that side of the vehicle, okay? So we saw it a little bit earlier. So we saw it right here, them waiting. So we know that people are going to be going in there because that's an intersection, and there's that side of the vehicle. So this is definitely an intersection right here. Okay, we got one right here, you got one right here. Neighborhoods are intersections. We got to focus. What can we do? We already positioned ourselves for safety. We're in lane position 3. This is a good lane position. It gives us the best space cushion from the left side, and also we have great escape routes to the right. And if we had to, if anybody came into our lane this way, we can escape more left. So this is actually a great position. Great position. Now we just got to utilize our vision. And right there, automatic orange stage because of the side of the vehicle. I know you guys hear my voice in your head when you're riding around. Let me know in the chat. And all of a sudden you see the side of the vehicle. It's like, hey, JP Moto AZ, side of the vehicle. Orange stage, cover the brakes, get ready. So what saved him there? Was it the horn? Apply a progressive brake pressure, slow down, and when they're still not doing what they're supposed to be doing, and they're going to keep going, you're still safe. Honk at them then. Honk when you're safe. Don't do it before. All right, we're riding. Merge issue, pedestrians all over the place. When you have a one-way road like this with lanes or no lanes, you don't have to deal with cross traffic. So the side of the vehicles are very rare, very uncommon. So when I'm in a lane position like this, or when I'm in an area like this, my main focus is what could come out at me. And most of the time it's going to be that merging issue. So I'm looking for the patterns for merging issues. Very uncommon for somebody to cross the street right here. So I'm not really looking for that. Dan, the side of the vehicle ASMR from Kilroy 93. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. Same intersection. Side of the vehicle. Should have understood it. You've already dealt with it once. Lane splitting. Okay, right now we're good. Green light. Green does not mean go. Green light does not mean go. Don't fight for it. You're getting pushed. You're getting pushed. Don't fight for it. Either get out or stay. It's all the same person. Same rider. Same rider. Same rider. Impatience and rushing is going to be a huge cause of close calls. Okay, so you got to be very careful with that. Remove that from your skill set. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Rev bombing does not stop the vehicle, and it does not stop you. You're still on your path to collide. He's EMS. Okay, here's the thing, guys. Side of the vehicle, you know that there's a possible path to travel violation. The thing here is he rev bombed last second and then braked even later seconds. There's the rev bomb. So that's the moment he perceived a threat. His reaction was a rev bomb, which is pulling in the clutch and giving it throttle. So that's the two things you don't want to do. Remove power from the rear wheel so you have no way of acceleration, and then giving it a ton of throttle, which is increasing the RPMs. So now you're making a lot of noise, which is okay, not an issue. But what happens if you let go of that clutch when you have your RPM super high? You're going to either, you're going to lose control. So we should be going at a speed that we could slow down in. Brake and get yourself out of the situation, then rev bomb if you want. He's braking in a straight corner. A straight corner. What did I say that for? He was braking while going into the corner. Nah, shut up. He did what he had to do. Did what he had to do. So he's going too fast, and what he did was straighten up his bike and apply the brakes when he couldn't make it. That's the difference between dumping it right when the gravel starts or going into the freaking radio tower. So that's right there, dumping the bike here versus going super fast into this right here. If those are the two options you have, take this one. But how do you prevent having to do this option or going into the here? Slow look, press, and roll. Part of what I'm trying to tell you is not how do you get yourself out of this. I'm trying to tell you how to prevent it in the first place. That is the absolute best case scenario in his scenario. Hopefully in your scenario, you're not. All right, going through traffic, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Wait, just wait.
Guckt nicht mal.
Did fine.
War jetzt nicht mal knapp. Ich konnte noch in Ruhe.
Don't know what he's saying, but the thing is, he's not getting aggressive. Good swerve. Good swerve. So to go back to this real quick.
Ich meine, war jetzt nicht mal.
Do it. Go ahead. Let it out. Let it out in your helmet. Let it out on your vlog. You know, if you're moto vlogging, go ahead and let it out. But don't get up next to him. Boom, punching mirrors. Don't be doing that stuff. He let them in. He slowed down, made himself safe. Oh, the stupid dumb. That's perfectly fine. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. So right here, we're going to be moving right away. You see that car wanted to creep out and you know what? Screw it. I don't want to turn left. I'm going to go straight. As soon as you see that, remember, look at big pattern, bunch of vehicles lined up. They should be staying there. You never know. Be careful. So position yourself for safety just in case. Lane position 1, 2, 3. Bunch of vehicles right here lined up. Just in case, if I was in lane position 1.5, just in case, I'm going to move over here. Just in case. That's all I'm saying. So we're over here. So when this person comes out, we could swerve easy to that lane and swerve back. And that's the one thing I want to point out is he swerved out and he swerved back in. Watch. Oh, baby, good swerve. Now get back. Woo! Look how close he is to that red vehicle. So that vehicle is actually slowing down. So when he swerved back into his lane, he put himself back into safety. Amazing job.
Alter, holy shit.
Yeah, you started like, oh, you got a little brown in your pantalones. Okay.
Alter.
Good braking in a corner. This guy has very high fundamental skill. And on top of it, he has pretty dang good situational awareness. Now, when you couple really good skill and really good situation awareness, you can have close calls. You still can because just how humans are. But you prevent the crash. There's a lot of people that crash because they keep running into things or they don't let the person in and they just fight. They just don't see it, but they expect that their braking's gonna do the job. Sometimes you just have a close call. And sometimes it's a non-issue, but we kind of make it an issue. But a lot of these things, somebody swerving out in front of you, he swerved out of that. He's able to brake on this. Great job.